Hi crypto fans, welcome back here with more news on the Bitcoin. Today we're looking into the more information, and what do we have here today? The price is growing because we got some exciting news for today, which we're not going to talk about right now because we're at the price. Okay, I'm joking. Let's start because we don't need to lose any time. First, Grayscale CEO says spot Bitcoin ETF approval would unlock about the 30 trillion worth of advised wealth for Bitcoin. Next we go with an announcement on Bitcoin ETF approval. This is already another level and even historical. You know what's interesting these days? Bitcoin and Bitwise ETFs backed by crypto specialists, and we could see that they already made a promotion for it. Registered investment advisors manage over $100 trillion. The ETF opened the floodgates for this money to find Bitcoin. I'm guessing $1 trillion finds its way into the ETFs by 2030 simply from this pool of capital. I can see many traders are getting chopped up as Bitcoin becomes choppier. The wrench is tightening. Be patient and pick your entries extra carefully. Soon this breaks one way or another. So just got off a call with a few very well-known and highly respected money managers whose names I'm legally required to keep private. They say Bitcoin will surpass all-time highs in 2024 tenfold, and I quote, "Nobody understands how big this is. I almost spit out my vegan non-binary French vanilla latte when I heard this. Then I realized something that I have never thought of before. I don't have enough Bitcoin. I will never have enough. I am not bullish enough, and I'll never be bullish enough." As literally no significant capital in front running the Bitcoin ETF because they literally cannot front run it for the taxes and regulatory reasons. This is the first time in history that retail can actually front run the institutions, and people are still waiting to get one Bitcoin. Just in, SEC officially acknowledges Pando Asset Act's spot Bitcoin ETF application. Securities and Exchange Commission, self-regulated organizations. Here we can see all the claims and all the information about the SEC, and if you want you can just stop this video and read the information of this one. To the next one we go, as Bitcoin is breaking down this symmetrical triangle on the 4-hour time frame, and this guy Carl expects it to go down to 38,000. We already know who the car is, Carl the Moon. So all I'm saying, he expects the downward momentum, and I guess this one is going to happen where we are going to buy. I guess it will drop even more than 38,000, around the 25,000 it will be, and we'll be able to buy Bitcoins, maybe other cryptocurrencies, depends on how much money you have for it. The US SEC about to make a huge move on Bitcoin ETFs in January, a decision that could change the crypto game forever. So first, this introduction, the SEC's decision impacting Bitcoin ETF landscape. The SEC faces a January 2024 deadline for deciding on multiple spot Bitcoin ETF applications, a potential game changer for the crypto market. We got the Grayscale, the first one with a $46 billion entity AUM. We got ARK, we got Bitwise, BlackRock, OneAct, Wisdom Tree, and a lot of others that we already talked about before. Second is that ETFs simplifying crypto investment, and Bitcoin ETFs offer a regulated and simplified avenue for investing in Bitcoin, attracting broader investor interest and potentially stabilizing market prices. So Bitcoin ETF is an investment fund that enables investors to profit from Bitcoin's price movement without directly investing in cryptocurrency. Bitcoin ETFs are a regulated gateway to crypto exposure. These ETFs provide a regulated and accessible route for investors, eliminating complexities associated with the direct ownership and enhancing market accessibility. Anticipating SEC's decision and industry impact, the SEC's decision will not only affect individual ETF applications, but also set a stage for future crypto-related financial products globally. Fifth is the key advantages and risks of Bitcoin ETFs. Investing in Bitcoin ETFs offers advantages like accessibility, convenience, and professional management, but also involves risks such as counterparty risk and regulatory uncertainties. Anticipated approval of Bitcoin ETFs may lead to a significant capital influx, with a projection suggesting over $2.4 billion flowing into the approved US spot Bitcoin ETFs in only Q1 2024, potentially supporting Bitcoin prices. As turning point for over 10 Bitcoin ETF applications, the January 2024 deadline is crucial, with over 10 Bitcoin ETF applications, including industry giants like BlackRock, Fidelity, and Invesco awaiting the SEC's decision. Also, BlackRock's strategic position in the race. BlackRock, with its vast assets and successful track record, stands out among applicants, and a positive outcome could be catalyst for Bitcoin's price, showcasing institutional investors. Potential transformative era crypto investments and approval. Bitcoin ETF could usher in a transformative era for crypto, fueling institutional investment and addressing concerns about liquidity, custody, and regulatory uncertainties. So, the countdown for January 2024 impact on crypto strategies. As the deadline approaches, the crypto market is poised for transformation, and the SEC's decision on Bitcoin ETFs will leave an indelible mark on crypto regulations and investments landscapes. In a summary, we got that in coming weeks, the crypto community awaits the SEC's decision, with the potential to reshape the crypto investment landscape and pave the way for increased institutional participation. So, we go for more news, and there we go, the XRP versus Bitcoin. So will XRP overtake Bitcoin? XRP versus Bitcoin is a popular debate among the crypto enthusiasts due to the different nature of the project with the same vision. After the recent development in Ripple versus SEC case, the popularity and adoption of XRP have increased, as Coinbase, Kraken, and other giant crypto exchanges have re-enabled the trading of the XRP tokens, and XRP has surpassed Bitcoin in daily trading volume of Bitcoin, according to some blockchain news websites. So, the crypto world has witnessed a remarkable growth in the recent years, also known as the original crypto, as Bitcoin is still in the top cryptocurrency in the market. However, in the recent years, many cryptos has emerged as serious competitors that are challenging Bitcoin's dominance. And if we'll look at all the comparison on the XRP and Bitcoin, we could see that Bitcoin was created in 2009 and XRP in 2012. So also we got the purposes, as Bitcoin is a digital currency, store of value, and peer-to-peer payments. XRP is a cross-border payments, remittances, liquidity providers. Blockchain type, XRP got a federated Byzantine agreement, and Bitcoin is a proof of work. Total supply 100 billion in XRP, and Bitcoin is a 21 million only. So we could understand by looking at all those informations that basically Bitcoin is just the digital currencies that is a store of value, while XRP will be looking into the cross-border payments, and with its supply of only 100 billion tokens, it does a lot of stuff. It's limited supply, as well as Bitcoin's limited supply of 21 million. It's low supply, and people will be using Bitcoin only to store their money, and it will be like a digital gold, while XRP will be used for the cross-border payments. Both projects are good, and both projects worth the notice, and we can understand that it's just the time, and we have place for both of these cryptocurrencies. They are both good, and we don't need to fight because one cryptocurrency supports another. That's all we got understand on the Bitcoin and XRP war, and a lot of other cryptocurrencies too. We need all those cryptocurrencies because all of them have different values and they support each other in the market for the cryptocurrencies. That's all we got for today's video on the Bitcoin. See you in the next one, and peace.